Every manufacturer in the world is behind booming their sales in this SUV boom. And we as consumers are always in the confusion that which one is the best option for us. So we bring you a series of SUV battles wherein we compare the SUVs for you. And in today's episode, we compare the 2025 Cadillac Escalade to the 2025 Lexus LX600, both coming from the luxury full-size segment. So, this is Parth and you're watching Motonation. The Escalade is the Cadillac's large and in charge of the luxury flagship, which is now a bold, tech-laden, three-row take on the full-size SUV formula. For 2025, it receives stylish updates intended to align its design with the brand's EV lineup design language. The regular Escalade's main mission remains transporting up to 8 people in modern luxury, despite its traditional body-on-frame architecture being adapted from the Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban. While being heavy, it provides confident handling on a plush ride that appropriately cuddles the passengers. Dash-spanning curved OLED display is also back, but now it stretches across the entire dash. Buyers who need more cargo room behind the third row can opt for the extended wheelbase ESV models. And a new 420 horsepower 6.2-liter V8 is now standard. For drivers who never recovered from selling their Camaro ZL1 can opt for the Escalade V and rejoice in the growl and thrust of its 682 horsepower supercharged V8. While in the segment that values outright luxury, the 2025 Lexus LX600 is a tough, capable brute with soft ride in it. On the road, its twin-turbo V6 provides ample power, and the four-wheel drive system, which includes low-range gearing and a locking center rear differential, gives the LX legit off-road chops. The LX ride is compliant, but handling isn't as sharp as the rival SUVs. The Lexus is intent to waft, and its cabin is lined with quilted leather upholstery, a leather-wrapped dashboard and wood trim that provides an experience to match its comfort as first demeanor. Since both of these SUVs are recently refreshed, let's have a look about what's new for these vehicles. The Escalade's exterior updates include a revised face featuring a larger grille with new patterns, squinting daytime running lights below the hood crease, horizontal LED headlamps, and an available illuminated grille surround. The rear also has a revised tail lights, a new lower bumper cover, and a minor trim adjustment. For 2025, there's also the introduction of available 24-inch wheels, the largest ever offered on an Escalade and even in the whole segment. Inside, the pillar-to-pillar curved dash display grows to a total of 55 inches, up from the former 38 inches. The steering wheel has been redesigned and there are two new interior color packages, the Renaissance and Sheer Grey. The V Series adds more carbon fiber accents and unique quilted upholstery. Super Cruise, GM's hands-free driving technology, is now standard across the lineup. But sadly, the Escalade is no longer available with a diesel 3.0-liter inline-6 engine. While in addition to adding the hybrid LX700 Edge, the lineup of 2025, Lexus has made a few changes to the non-hybrid LX standard features. All models now come with upgraded safety tech, including emergency steering assist, curve speed management system for the adaptive cruise control, and an oncoming vehicle detection system also. A heads-up display is now standard across the LX600 lineup too. The LX optional massaging seats can now be adjusted for intensity as well as targeting specific areas of your body. But the base trim level has been dropped, leaving premium, F Sport, luxury, and ultra luxury trims as your only choices. The top spec ultra luxury trim now comes with a charging pad for wireless devices as standard. Let's keep everything aside for a minute and take a look at the pricing and which trim is worth in both the models. The pricing of 2025 Cadillac Escalade starts at around $89,590 and goes up to $161,990 depending on the trim and options. As luxury as the Escalade is, there's little point in trying to rationalize the purchase by saving a few dollars here and there. We say go for the premium luxury platinum trim that includes the adaptive suspension with air springs, the premium 36-speaker AKG audio system, semi-airline leather, 16-way power adjustable front seats with massage, and the new power door function that opens and closes all four doors via a touch of the handle or console mounted buttons. But of course, if you are seeking absolute max performance, the only choice is to choose the V model. Production of the 2025 Escalade begins in late 2024 at GM's Arlington Assembly Plant in Texas. While the price of the 2025 Lexus LX is expected to start around $102,000 and go up to $135,000 depending on the trims and options again. And here we think that the luxury trim represents the best value. And value is a relative term when you're talking six figures for an SUV, as it adds features such as semi-aniline leather upholstery, a Mark Levinson stereo system, and handsome 22-inch wheels. And the buyers who reflexively gravitate to the top of the lineup should know that the ultra luxury trim limits the cabin to just 4 seats now. Well, it's time to take the look at the engine, transmission and performance. Wherein the Cadillac's biggest SUV is powered by a standard 420 horsepower 6.2-liter V8 that is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a rear or all-wheel drive system. The previous diesel powertrain that was underpowered provided improved fuel economy has now been ditched for 2025. For Escalade fans with a need for speed, only the V will do. It's powered by a beastie supercharged 6.2-liter V8 making over 682 horsepower. We were also impressed with the supercharged V8's power and the baritone bubble. As with its sibling, the current generation Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban and GMC Yukon, the Escalade rides on an independent rear suspension that provides additional third-row legroom, which was compromised in the previous generations due to its solid rear axle. Higher-end trims also offer air suspension with adaptive dampers for better ride quality. The Escalade with standard V8 and rear-wheel drive are rated at 14 miles per gallon for city and 19 miles per gallon for highway, and 16 miles per gallon all combined, while the all-wheel drive drops the highway figure by 1 miles per gallon, and the performance-oriented V model is far less efficient, earning EPA ratings of 11 miles per gallon for the city and 16 miles per gallon for the highway. While on the other hand, the Lexus is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine that makes over 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, 10-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive, both standard. The 4-wheel drive system includes a low range for when the going gets tough, although the fixed running boards would be vulnerable in serious off-road scenarios. Most LX600 models deliver a compliant ride, but that relaxed suspension means this tall schooner lists in turns. The F-Sport model's firmer suspension quells that tippy tendency, but the result is more ride harshness. And now, without wasting our time, let's dive inside. As the flagship of the Cadillac lineup, the Escalade ups the ante on in cabin luxury. Fox leather is used in the base luxury trim, but all other trims receive the real deal, with platinum models getting extra soft semi-endline heights, leather-covered dash and door panels, aluminum speaker grills, and adjustable interior ambient lighting provides an upscale appearance. Although some switchgear is shared with lesser GM models. Both a standard and long wheelbase ESV models are offered, the latter of which yields more legroom for third row riders and additional cargo space for storage. Cadillac has tricked out the Escalade in electronics department. The main showpiece is the digital dashboard, which is comprised of three curved OLED displays that layer on the top of one another to create a cool 55-inch the gauge cluster. It dominates the driver's side, while the rest of screen's real estate projects the COE information system. Other tech features include an augmented reality navigation system and an available rear seat entertainment package that includes two 12.6-inch displays with streaming capabilities. Everybody inside gets a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to mirror their smartphones, and a Wi-Fi hotspot is also available. Cadillac has partnered with the Grammy Award-winning audio and acoustic company AKG to develop the Escalade standard and optional sound system. A 19-speaker studio setup is standard on the luxury, sport, and premium luxury models, and platinum trims get the AKG sound reference with a whopping 36 to 40 if you add the second row executive package. Cadillac is also all set on making its flagship SUV a showcase for driver assistance technology, and in addition to making many of the most popular active safety features standard, Cadillac also offers its excellent Super Cruise hands-free drive mode. While on the other hand, the LX oozes luxury inside, starting with a wide center console between the front seats that create a cozy cockpit environment, quilted leather upholstery, a leather-wrapped dashboard, wood trim and smoke chrome accents imbue the LX cabin with a luxe ambience. The front throne earns top mark for comfort and can be had with a massaging feature. Most trims can seat up to 7 riders across 3 rows of seats. The top spec ultra luxury model is more for the chauffeured set and comes with a 4-seat layout that eliminates the third row and features dual reclining captain's chairs in the second row, divided by, of course, a center console. The configuration also features rear seat entertainment displays and wireless device charging. The LX600's dashboard comes standard with 3 displays, an 8-inch screen for the gauge cluster, 12.3-incher for the infotainment, and a separate 7-inch screen for climate and vehicle controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, and so is the heads-up display. Wireless charging is offered, and Lexus says audiophiles can upgrade the stereo to a 25-speaker Mark Levinson surround sound system if they have POP for either the LX luxury or ultra luxury trims. Talking about the pros, the Caddy is spacious with bold design, advanced tech features, and a comfortable ride, while the Lexus offers more of a luxurious interior with off-road capability and not just smooth but also a quiet ride. But there are also some cons, which include that the Caddy can feel less refined than the Lexus in terms of materials and overall luxury feel, while the LX600 can be a bit less tech-savvy compared to the Escalade and the price tag is significantly higher. Ultimately, both the 2025 Cadillac Escalade and the 2025 Lexus LX600 are exceptional luxury SUVs, but the Cadillac Escalade edges out in this competition. It offers a more engaging driving experience, bold design, and a more advanced tech suite, all at a more competitive price point. The Escalade's spacious interior, powerful engine, and cutting-edge features make it a compelling choice for those seeking a luxury and capable SUV. So, that's it all for today, guys. And this is Parth signing off. And do let me know your thoughts about your choice in the comments below. And also click on the video window to watch some of our other exciting videos. I hope you would have loved the content, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you are a motorhead just like me. Until then, keep hanging for new videos and see you soon.